Hi everyone, this is Reverend Prophetess, Lady of Wisdom, also known as the Prophet of the Christ with Christian Gifted Psychics and Holy Witches Chapel. Today's date is March the 13th, 2022 and is around 7:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the reason why I'm recording this video, I wanted to show you guys my braid locks, meaning I installed braids on my hair with the intention of locking my hair. So it's hard for me to show you how long just because they really shrunken up really bad. I also just washed my hair literally before I recorded this video, and I tried to put like a light color shirt on so you can see. But right now I believe the braids to be maybe like a little bit past my armpit, and the reason why that is because I also did a second big chop because my hair fell out, unfortunately. So that's why this is short, and this one is also really short as well. So my first big chop, I cut my hair, it was the end of December 2018. I cut my hair. It cut my hair, maybe it was like neck length, somewhere around there, maybe a little shorter. And my hair grew back. It actually grew maybe to like bra strap length because I was taking care of my hair. I was rocking my hair in single plaits underneath my wigs, moisturizing every day, and shampooing, deep conditioning every 2 weeks. I was on a roll. Then all of a sudden, during COVID hit. So as soon as the pandemic started, we were sent to work from home. So I've been working remote. Nobody seen me. So I wasn't wearing my wigs. I was just walking around with a scarf on my head all day because I was, working from home. Ain't nobody seeing me. You feel me? So, at the end of April 2021, I ended up cutting my hair again. This time I cut it, I like to say it was like above shoulders. It probably was cut to here because it was so broken off so bad. It was damaged. It was really bad. So I tried to cut it a little bit even, but even though some of the plaits right here, like I said, this is like one of the real shortest ones. So I just roll with just cutting it like right here, was just like hopefully it'll grow back. And then at this point, I have wanted to lock my hair for years, just didn't know like where to start, how to start, about contacting a loctician and all that things, things of that nature. So I did contact a loctician. The only problem was every time she was supposed to do my hair, she kept, canceling, rescheduling, all this foolishness, just everything. And I was like, well, I'll come to you, girl, and it was still like, she still kept, just with the foolishness. So I installed my darn own braid locks myself. So I installed these. I like to say, these are not sunglasses. These are like prescription glasses. So, but anyway, and ignore that stuff in the background. I'm in my bathroom. But anyways, I installed these. I like to say it was like February the 28th that I actually installed these myself. But I'm going to put the exact date there. I installed these myself. And I did these over the course of maybe like 3 days. Because when I got off of work, I can only work like when I get off of work or whatever. So I'm, braiding. I have it's around like 200 braids is what I started off with. I ended up breaking some of them down. So it's probably a lot more than that now. But I don't know the exact count as of now. But when I first started, it was around 200 braids. Installed these myself. I do have new growth. It's a little fuzzy. I did just get finished washing my hair, so it could have shrunk up some more. And I did break some lock rules because I did shampoo, condition, and deep condition my hair. I haven't experienced too much unraveling, except for when it ends, of course. But that's usually what I go through when I just rock my single plaits anyway. It'll unravel, the ends, but it doesn't unravel all the way up to the scalp or nothing like that. But it is what it is, because I'm somebody who has to deep condition my hair. So it's not like I could just let my hair be all dry. I'm just coming back from severe damage, breakage, still do have damage, breakage. So, that's the reason why I deep condition and condition. But I did plait my hair up, so that could be another reason why I got crinkled up like that, because I did plait it up and then put like these little like band things. It's not the exact one I use. It was like a little like a silk little, what do you call that, scrunchy thingy that I put at the end of the plaits. I put about 4 plaits, and then I conditioned my hair after washing it with shampoo, and then I deep conditioned using like it's like a steam cap. So I did that for like 15 minutes. And then I just took them back down. So my hair is a little damp. I did also add a little color in there, meaning I did like a rinse. I know you probably can't see the color because it didn't come out that good on my hair, because somebody told me I was supposed to lift my hair with bleach, and I was like, heck no, I wasn't doing that. My hair already damaged, girl, no. So I used this. This is, let me turn this around. This is called Adore Magenta is what I tried to use. It just didn't really take that well on my hair. Oh well, my bad. But anyway, I did that a couple weeks ago when I first installed them. So that's probably why I worn out or something. Maybe that's probably why. But I'm going to interlock these is what I hope and plan to do. I'll let you guys know. I'll do an update on how I do with that. So this is like a lock tool. I got this from Amazon. Can you see this? I hope you guys can see. So it's a little dark in here. I do apologize because this video was so darn random. But anyway, look, it's a lock tool. And I also got these crochet hooks, crochet needles, whatever you call these, just in case I don't know which ones I'm going to use. Here's another one. So that's what I plan on doing my, to maintain my hair myself. If not, I'll end up going to a loctician if for some reason I'm not able to do this. But I do spray my hair every day. This is water with aloe vera juice. This is what I use. I also use oil. These are a combination of oils. This is like Jamaican black castor oil, olive oil, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, like almond oil, sweet almond oil. I mix them all together in one bottle and I just apply it to my hair every day. And I also sleep with like a silk scarf on my head. I kind of like cross wrap my hair like that with little bobby pins, and that's how I sleep at night, And I use a little moisturizer. Yeah, I do break lock rules. I use a little moisturizer on my hair every day because I don't want my hair being dry and snapping and breaking and, all this stuff that I do not want or do not need anymore. But anyways, so I just wanted to show you guys this. And like I said, it's a little bit harder for me to show you the length of my hair. It did grow a lot since I cut it, honestly. Because when I first, which I'm going to put a picture in here, when I first installed the braid locks on my hair, like I said, it was like the end of February when I first put them in. And my braids were, my hair was around like bra strap length or somewhere around mid-back length. So when I ended up installing the braids ended up shrinking up to here because I was spraying my hair with water, and I was also applying moisturizer as I was braiding my hair. So it was probably shrinking up. Maybe I put too much water. I don't know. But anyways, I did just want to show you guys. I know I can't really turn around because it's going to be kind of tough for me to show you holding this phone. But, and I did put on a light color shirt so you can see. As you can see, my hair did grow a lot from when I did cut it, which I'm happy about because I didn't. Oh, that light is getting terrible. So I didn't want to start with my hair short with my locks because I was afraid that when it starts to shrink, it's going to shrink even shorter and make it look like I might have little turbs. But anyway, I guess that's what my wigs and turbans are for, because that's what I rock anyway. But anyways, just wanted to show you guys these braid locks. Like I said, I did these myself, and that's like a quick little length thing here for you guys. Don't know how good you can see here. I did put on a light color shirt so you can see. And this video is just so darn random, so ignore like everything you see going on in my bathroom. Everything you see going on in my bathroom and everything that's going on, ignore that. But anyways, just wanted to record this video, and I will be updating you guys with my progress as far as with these locks. And like I said, these were started from braid, so with the intentions on locking my hair. So I am going to update you guys, let you know any things that I notice about locks and things like that, in case someone else wants to lock their hair as well from braids, pros and cons and things like that. I will come back with that video soon after I have a bit more experience with what's going on with my hair to let you guys know. So thank you guys very much for watching, and make it a blessed rest of your weekend. Take care.